Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of Delta Group new launch project Delta Greenville located in Thane West, Mumbai. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the sales office, and this project is bang on Ghorbandar Road right opposite Titan Hospital. This is the neighborhood of the project. Now, let me take you to the land parcel of this project. As you can see, this is the actual land parcel of the project where the towers will get built. So this was the actual land parcel and this is the sales office of the project. In this video, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. Talking about the project overview, this project will get built on a land parcel of 4.5 acres consisting of 3 towers which will have G plus 45-story residential floors having 1 BHK and 2 BHK premium residences. Talking about the location and connectivity of this project is located at Kasaragod, Ghorbandar Road, Thane West, right opposite Titan Hospital, that is just 50 meters from the project. Upcoming Kasaragod metro station is only 100 meters from the project, and upcoming Thane Borivali tunnel is only 7 minutes from this project. Talking about the amenities of this project has 60 plus ultra luxurious amenities, in which lifestyle amenities such as clubhouse, landscape garden, chill and spray area and a jogging track. Convenience amenities such as 24/7 security, power backup, water supply and parking. Leisure amenities such as swimming pool, gym, community hall and outdoor games. And other amenities such as rainwater harvesting, sewage treatment plant and firefighting system and IGBC, that is Indian Green Building Council. The amenities of this project is spread across 85,000 of square feet. Talking about the configuration, this project has 1 BHK and 2 BHK premium residences with 1 BHK ranging in the carpet area of 458 to 462 square feet and 2 BHK in the carpet area of 689 square feet. Also, for pricing, brochure and other details, you can click on the link mentioned in the description below. Talking about the booking process, the booking windows of this project will open soon. Till then, the client can come and visit the site and the sales team will explain you the complete project overview with the 3D model, will give you the plans and pricing and will also show you a sample flat. And then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount of 1 lakh. So everyone, this was the teaser of Delta Group new launch project Delta Greenville located in Thane West. And for more details like pricing, brochure or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description below. All our NRI clients from UK, US, UAE and Europe can also contact us on the same link. At last, don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such teaser videos.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.